Good morning. Today is Monday, March the 19th, 2018. It's 7:50 in the morning and 56 degrees. It started raining during the night, and it's still raining just a little bit now. We were going to walk, but then it started raining again, so we decided not to walk. There's rain dripping off the roof and hitting the tarp down there is that noise. I was going to water my plants today, but now I won't have to. Mary's off to Hardee's. He waved. Thinks he's taking a cold or allergies. He said for allergies he sat out in the swing yesterday in the pollen for an hour. But I think he really thinks it's a cold. He just wanted to go to Hardee's. I'm going to try my bone broth this morning. I got a couple of big tablespoons there in my cup. I'm going to add some hot water to it. If I like this, I'll freeze it by tablespoons in the freezer, like a couple tablespoons each. I'm filling Larry's pill box for the week. I kind of like to add a little salt to it, but with my blood pressure, I better not. Tastes like beef broth. A little bit too hot to drink right now. I thought if I liked the broth enough that I thought I would drink it, I'd go ahead and order the book, the diet book. Larry's home from Hardee's. Was everybody there?
Yeah, about. Yep. It's a thresher. Well, the other one's going to do it now.
Birds don't mind the rain. They think it's an opportunity for a bath. This new diet I'm trying says you have to eat all your meals within 7 hours. So I think if I eat my breakfast at 10, I can have supper at 5. Maybe that'll work out. I haven't got the diet book yet, just some of the other stuff I've read. And of course, as soon as I broke the egg in here and started frying it, that's when the birds decided to take a bath. And it says to use lots of pepper. Okay, I'm gonna eat this.
I guess he's from Maine.
Mm-hmm.
Originally, who cares? But as long as he knows what he's doing, he acts like it. He acts more like it than that other guy, and a better price, I think.
Well, there's another man came out and looked at our pool. He waved. The other man that we saw last fall never came back, never called, never heard from him again. So Larry found this man at Hardee's. This isn't a diet lunch. We're having spaghetti and garlic bread. We're going to town, so Larry's cleaning the car off where the birds have been. We stopped here dropping off our never-ending supply of garbage. We're here at Glenn's Small Engine Repair, where Larry brought his old rototiller to be fixed. So he's checking to see if he's ordered the parts yet and see if he can get it back without having it fixed. Probably depends on whether or not he's ordered the parts. They had already ordered the parts, so Larry's going to go ahead and let them fix it. That's a small space, and there's another customer in there now. The gas was getting a little low in my fit, so we came in here to Murphy's and got some gas, filled the tank up. So I'll be all ready to go to town on Saturday. We stopped here at Walmart so Larry could pay his credit card bill. I got a grapefruit and 2 avocados. It's 4:13, so we're here for the bargains at Arby's. We already been to the Dollar Tree and got some flowers, silk flowers. The azaleas are blooming out more every day. They just get prettier and prettier. I did my Easter decorating this morning. Looks a lot like last year. Got some different cards. And I got my picture up there again. This is where I got my Easter bunnies. Rabbit house. There's my little seasonal tree. It has crosses on it. And I gotta change my Bible yet to the crucifixion for Easter. It's my little cross stitch. Got some silk lilies down there. Got this wreath on the door with Easter lilies. It's 7:20 and there's another gray sky tonight. We didn't have any rain this afternoon, but it looked like it could any time. We got our errands done in town. We just came home and took it easy. Good night. God bless.